Hey, this is Brother Barnes, and I'm going back to my old high school teaching days, and I can remember talking about significant figures with my physics and chemistry classes, and I want to honor the same in my density experiment. We took the mass of some wooden blocks, we measured height, width, and depth, and remember we used some formulas to calculate volume and density. We inserted a graph to look at the data. This is a box whisker plot. And then I used Analysis Tool Pack to kind of do a backup on this data analysis. What I want to do now, which is probably much ado about nothing, but maybe interesting. Notice that these density numbers have about 5 significant figures. All these whole numbers count. And notice that the measurements for the wooden blocks are roughly about 2 sig figs. I see 1 here, but what I would like to do is take the data down to 2 sig figs. And let's see if it changes the information in the box and whisker plot, and let's see if it also changes in the tool pack analysis. So here we go. Let's go home. There we go. And we don't want to increase the decimal, we want to decrease it. So keep your eyes right here. Let's decrease the decimal. Well, I suppose we need to select the data, all of the data, and not just part of it. Well, let's hit redo, undo. Okay, there we go. This is, by the way, this is a lifesaver, this undo button. Yikes. Okay, let's go back and let's select all of this data. Does that help? All right. Now let's go home and let's change the decimals. Let's decrease them. Here we go. So watch the data here and here. Let's see if it changes. Let's see. Okay, I can see it changing. I can see it changing over here in the whisker plot for sure. I did not see anything change over here, did you? That might be a good thing though. Matter of fact, whenever we click that in, it might lock the information in. So that may be the reason why. But nevertheless, this probably represents the, okay, let go. This probably does represent the analysis most accurately with the measurements that we use to gain this information. So remember, we're talking about density of wood in grams per cubic centimeter. There you go. So what we learned here is that the graph changed, but the analysis did not change, or the analyses, however you want to call that. And I think partly because we locked this in, we kind of right-clicked outside of the box, but that probably locked in the minute we clicked OK. All right, a little bit more information for us. Keep coming back. I'm going to keep working on this Excel spreadsheet experiment write-up